Good morning, YouTube. This is Zippo again. Today I'm going to talk about something I do with all my new Zippos that I'm planning to use. This is just a regular street chrome Zippo. But what I have found out is we can remove the price tag and seal. Let's see if I can get this off. Oh, this was a hard one. Damn it. There we go. What I'm trying to say is many people complains about how fast the Zippo fuel evaporates, but I have found out this is a brand new Zippo. You know, when you're going to change your wick, let's say that you shall lie the wick in an S pattern between the rayon balls. But what I have found out is when you get a new Zippo, often the wick is just squeezed in the top of the lighter, so it's harder for the wick to suck up the fuel. So if I buy a lighter that I'm going to use, like this one, I always repack the rayon balls and the wick. I don't know how this is inside, but we can take it apart and see how it comes from Zippo. Just remove the spring and the flint. I'm going to remove this one and the rayon balls. So let's see what it's supposed to be. Is that the wick is laid in an S pattern inside the insert, but often that's not the case. So we start to remove the rayon balls and take a look how the wick is. The first one, you can see no wick yet. Second one, still no wick. Third one, and here you can see in the bottom, there you got a wick. So we remove all the rayon balls, and there comes the wick, and you can see it's totally curled up. So I always do this when it's a Zippo I'm going to use, because the lighter will work much better, and the fuel will not last longer, but you will get the impression of it last longer, because the wick is has the possibility to suck up the fuel much better. So therefore I always do this. So I just insert the wick again. I do it from the top this time. And then I start to repack the rayon balls. try to get a better lighting. And then I start to place the wick in the S pattern. So let's see. This is not science, rocket science, but it's always smart to check this on new lighters so you can make them work better. Oh, come on. Okay, I do it this way just to just to expose the most of the wick to the fuel I'm going to put in. So there you go. Now we have the wick in the S pattern inside of the insert. You will get much better use of your lighter, and the fuel will last longer because the wick can suck it up much better. So that's just a tip. Always check your lighters when you receive them, how the wick is inserted in the lighter, and if it's all curled up in the top of the lighter, just repack it and lay it in the S pattern. So that's my tip for today. So thank you for watching, and see you guys later. Bye bye.